My name is Kevin Simpson. I've been in the business for 27 years. Started Capital Wealth Planning in 2005.
My name is Brian Bruneau. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Capital Wealth Planning.
My name is Charles Sauer. I'm the Director of Sales here at Capital Wealth Planning.
Josh Smith. I've been with the company about 7 years. Head portfolio manager, and I run the day-to-day operations of the firm.
My name is John Watkins. I'm the Director of Marketing, and I've been with Capital Wealth Planning now for 5 years.
You know, I spent the first part of my career in the Northeast, and it was a very stressful environment. Trading equities and options can be stressful in and of itself, and being here in Naples when we leave the office and return to paradise, it's certainly a better way to live.
I think one of the main things that sets us apart is we always focus on the process, the day-to-day. I think it lends itself to being very good in this business. And I think a lot of people get mixed up in sort of the outcome of what you're trying to obtain, but ultimately that leads to sometimes bad decision-making and or emotional decision-making.
We're not here to overcomplicate things. We have stocks that are household names, blue chip companies that when clients look at their statement, they can recognize and be familiar with what they ultimately own. And we think that that's really important.
At the very beginning, have that outreach. When a client or an advisor opens an account here, we'll reach out to that advisor and go through the process of really digging into what the option strategy is, how it works, what it does for the portfolio long term, and why we feel like this is a full market cycle strategy.
You know, the big thing about our strategy is that it's very rules-based. There's always a reason why we do things, whether it's in stock selection or option writing. We're not going to be right 100% of the time, but what I'm most proud of at Capital Wealth Planning is there's always a reason for why we do it. And that to me really separates us from the competition.
So from the time that I joined in early March of last year, we had about $500 million under management. And since that time, to date, we're about $1.1 billion. I mean, it's just staggering growth. And I think that's due to our partners on the advisor side, the firms that we work with, and above all, the people that we have here at Capital Wealth Planning.
My day-to-day is providing the tools that you need as the advisor to be successful. When you're speaking with your client and you're presenting the material to your client, I want you to be able to tell that story to where they can easily understand, and when they leave, they don't have any questions.
One of the best things at CWP is that we really try to get to know the financial advisor partners, not just treating them as a number or an ID code, but trying to understand their practice and how our strategies may fit in with their business model, with their clients, and how we can help them grow.